We're getting started at King's Wharf today. The inspector's doing some strategic testing of this beautiful concrete that's going to hold these wonderful buildings in place. We don't have a parade today to do this pour, but we have a beautiful pump and wonderful concrete. These are the guys placing this beautiful job. As you can see, it's coming along. It's gonna be up pretty soon. This summer you look at this place and it'll be pretty spiffy.
You gotta add some air, my good buddy.
Air, okay. What was it?
Yeah, 4.5.
4.5?
Yeah.
Okay there, sir.